Raju was a curious little boy. Every afternoon he would see his grandfather sitting in the garden, not to rest, but always doing something. Some days he would water the plants, some days feed the stray dogs in the park, and some days read his favorite old books while sipping lemon tea. One day Raju sat next to him and asked innocently, Grandpa, why do you always keep yourself busy? Why don't you just sit and relax like other people? The old man smiled and took a slow sip of his lemon tea. Come here, Raju, let me tell you a secret, he said. Imagine there is a bank that gives you rupees 86,400 every morning, but at night, whatever you didn't use, the bank takes it away. No savings, no second chances. What would you do with that money? Raju's eyes lit up. I would use every rupee, Grandpa. I wouldn't waste it. Grandpa gently patted his head. Yes, life also has a bank, but instead of money, it gives us 86,400 seconds each day. If we waste them, they're gone forever. We can never get them back. That's why I never let my time go to waste. Raju looked thoughtful. So, your gardening, walking, reading, it's like spending the time wisely? Grandpa smiled. Yes, my boy, it's how I invest my time in things that make me and the world around me a little better. From that day, whenever Grandpa went to the garden, Raju followed, sometimes to water the plants, sometimes just to hold his hand.